Good morning, students. Today we will learn 12th Commerce, Unit 3, Financial Market, lesson number. This is a Financial Market 2, lesson number 7, Stock Exchange. In the previous class, we learned what is meant by stock exchange. What is meant by stock exchange? What is the other name of the stock exchange? Stock exchange is also called share market or stock market. What is meant by stock exchange? Stock exchange means is a place where exchange of financial securities. What is meant by financial securities? So financial securities means is a certificate or documents indicating ownership interest or creditorship interest. Ownership interest is a shares and debentures. Creditorship interest means is a ownership interest is a shares. Creditorship interest is a debentures. Shares means part of the capital, fraction of the capital, and unit of the capital. Debentures means is a long-term loan. Okay, and origin, stock exchange origin. So, which stock exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world is Amsterdam Stock Exchange. And what is the other name of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange is started by and established by Dutch East India Company. In which year it was established? It was established in the year 1602 by called VOC. So VOC is here written Oost Indische Kambagan. Is a VOC abbreviations. And then which India's first stock exchange is here Native Shares Stockbroker Associations. Later it was called BSC. What is the abbreviation of the BSC is Bombay Stock Exchange. And also you learn functions of the stock exchange also. You have here three definitions. Number one is here Hastings definition. Number 2 is husband and daughterly definition. And then number 3 is Securities Regulations Control Act 1956 definitions also you learn. Now we will say what are the features of stock exchange. Features of stock exchange. So today we will learn what are the features of stock exchange. Number 1. So market for securities. Market for securities. So stock exchange is a market where securities of government, corporate bodies, corporate, government and semi-government, government and semi-government bodies are bought and sold is a stock exchange. So stock exchange is a market where securities of corporate. What is meant by corporate? Corporate means the owners and the managements are different. Who is the owner of the business? The owner or not manage the business is a corporate sectors, corporate bodies. What is meant by incorporate? Incorporate means the owners and the business are the same. Who is the owner of the business? The owner only manage the business is an incorporate. That example is sole trader, partnership, etc. is a non-corporate enterprises. So corporate bodies means is a companies. Companies is a owners and managements are different. Who is the owner? The owner are not manage the business is a corporate bodies. And then government securities. Semi-government securities. Semi means both the public sectors and the private sector securities are to be traded is a market for securities. Understood this one? And then what is the next one is dealings. Dealings, second-hand securities. Dealings, second-hand securities. So this stock exchange or deal for this stock exchange or deal is a second-hand securities. That is here it is also called a secondary market. So what is meant by secondary market? Secondary market means resale of securities or traded in the primary markets. Okay, so the stock exchange or deal shares, debentures and bonds, such securities are already issued by the companies. So this securities only deal by the stock exchange. That is here dealings second hand securities. And then next, third one is regulator trade securities. Regulator trade securities. So stock exchange does not deal buy and sell for its own or not for its own accounts. So what is the duty of the stock exchange is provided necessary infrastructure and facilities to its members. Provide infrastructure, facilities, necessary infrastructures, and also provide facilities to its members who transact the business. It provide facilities to its members or brokers of the stock exchange. Who deals in the stock exchange or who act in the stock exchange means is only for the brokers. Brokers only they have be dealing the business. So in this stock exchange provide necessary facilities, necessary infrastructures and provide facilities to its members to buy and sell the securities. So this is a regulated. All the rules and regulations are to be regulated in the stock exchanges. So it is a regulated trade securities. And then next one is allows dealings only in listed securities. Listed securities. The unlisted securities are not allowed to trade in the stock exchange. Only for the listed securities. What is meant by listing? Listing means the inclusions in the name of the company for the official trade list. Which company are issued the shares? That company must be comes under the listing. So that listed securities only are to be traded in the stock exchanges. Unlisted securities are not to be allowed. Unlisted securities are not traded in the stock exchanges. So this is allows dealings only in listed securities. And then next one is transactions effected only through members. Affected only through members. So all the transactions in the stock exchanges is only affected only through authorized members and brokers only allowed to transact the business. Who is authorized, who has to be registered in the stock exchange. That persons only they have to be allowed to transactions affected through members. So outsiders, outside members and direct investors. Outside members and direct investors are not allowed to any activities are not allowed in the stock exchanges. Are not do any activities in the stock exchanges. Only for the authorized members and brokers are only allowed to transact all the business activities in the stock exchanges. So who allowed in the stock exchanges? Only authorized brokers and members are allowed to transact all the activities in the stock exchanges. And the next one is association of person. Association of person. So stock exchange is on associations or body of individual. Stock exchanges is on association or body of individual. That means it's a group of persons. It may be registered or not, but it is a group of persons. It is associations or organizations or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not. So that is the stock exchange is an association of persons or body of individuals. It means it's a group of persons. And the next one is recognitions from government, central government. Recognition from central government. Central government. So this stock exchange is on organized market. What is it by organized market? Organized market means the rules and regulations are passed by the central government. What are the rules and regulations are followed by the stock exchange? Rules and regulations in the stock exchanges. The rules and regulations are recognized by central governments. So this is an organized sectors. The rules and regulations are passed by the central governments. What are the rules and regulations in the stock exchange is passed by the central governments. And then next one is working as per rules. Working as per rules. So this rules and also the central government passed the rules and regulations, and also it under the guidance of the SEBI also. So what is the abbreviations of the SEBI? SEBI means is a Security Exchange Board of India. What is the abbreviations of the SEBI? Full form of the SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. Is a head office is at Mumbai. So this SEBI has to be guidance in the stock exchanges. Who guidance the stock exchanges? SEBI is guidance under the guidance of the stock exchanges. So these are all the features of the stock exchanges. What is the number one is market for securities. Number two is dealings. Second kind securities. And the regulator trade securities allows dealings only in listed securities. Transactions effected only through members, association of persons, recognitions from central government, and working as per rules. So this is the features of the stock exchanges. And members, stock exchanges members. Who transact the business in stock exchanges? Who transact the business in stock exchanges? Only members or transact the business in stock exchanges. Who are the members? Who are the members in the stock exchanges? So members, stock exchange members. Number one is a remiser. What is the name is? Remiser. So remiser is a member. Remiser is the act as an agent in the stock exchange. Remiser is act as an agent in the stock exchanges. What is the work of the remiser? Remiser obtain a business for his principal. Remiser obtain business for his principal. Here who is called a principal? Principal is a investors. Who is a principal? Principal is investors. So remiser is act as an agent. Remiser is act as an agent in the stock exchanges. He obtain business from his principal. Principal means is called a investors. In his services, he get the commission. So what is the earning of the remisers? In his services, remisers are earn the commission. So this is a remiser is one of the members in the stock exchange. And next one is authorized clerk. Authorized clerk. So authorized clerk is an employee in the stock exchanges, and also it's a member in the organizations in the stock exchange. So authorized clerks are mere employees, and these authorized clerks are act as on behalf of the employees on the floor of the stock exchanges. So he is also your employees and also the members in the stock exchanges. He act as on behalf of the employees in the organizations in the stock exchanges. In his services, he paid salary. He gets salary and also he earn commission. And also he earn commissions. So authorized clerk is on employees in the stock exchanges, and also he is on member. Is appointed by the members in the stock exchanges. So he has to be buy and sell the securities on behalf of their employees. Buy and sell securities on behalf of their employees. In this one, he gets salary and also commission in the stock exchange. And then next one is brokers. Next one is brokers. So brokers are here also called here commission agent. Broker are also commission agent. They intermediated between the buyers and sellers. They do not buy and sell the securities on behalf of the public, but he bring together the buyer and the seller and help them to buy the shares. Help them to buy the shares. That person is called a broker. So broker is also called a commission agent. So broker is one of the intermediaries in the stock exchange. He do not buy and sell the securities, but they bring together the buyer and the sellers and to buy and sell the securities. In this one, he get the commission. In this one, he get the commission from both the parties. Commission from both the buyer and seller. Here, commission. So, brokers are here commission for their services. And the next one is here. Next one is jobbers. Who is the another member is jobbers. In India, in our country, India, these jobbers are also called Taravani Wala. Jobbers are called Taravani Wala. What is the other name of the jobber? This is one of the one word question. And brokers is also called commission agent. Authorized clerk is one of the employees and also the members in the stock exchange. Remises act as an agent in the stock exchange. So, jobbers in India is also called the Taravani Walas. So, jobbers, what is the duty of the jobbers? So, jobbers is on independent merchants. So, he does not buy and sell securities on their public. He buy and sell the securities on behalf of their own. And he earn for these price changes. So, jobbers are not here brokers. So, jobbers is not your brokers. Jobbers is a buy and sell the securities on behalf of their own. அவருக்காக அவரே வாங்கி விக்கிறவர் பேரு தான் jobbers. In India, jobbers is also called a Taravani Wala. He is one of the investors. But he maintained the securities. No longer he does not maintain the securities. He buy and sell the securities repeatedly. So he earn for this price. What is the price changes? That price changes only for this jobbers earnings. So and then next one is here speculation. Next one is speculations. So speculations means it's a trading the financial securities. Trading financial securities is a speculation. Trading financial securities. The persons who trading the financial security, the person is called a speculators. There are 4 types of speculators in the stock exchange. So who are the 4 types of speculators is bear, bull, stag and lambda. Are the 4 kinds of speculators are also members in the stock exchanges. So these are all the stock exchange members. So number 1 is here remisier. Number 2 is here authorized clerks. And the next one is brokers, jobbers and speculations. What is the other name of the jobber is Taravani Walas. Other name of the broker is commission agent. Authorized clerk is an employee in the stock exchange and also members in the stock exchange. Okay, this is the members in the stock exchange. Now we will be seeing what are the benefits of the stock exchanges. So, what are the features of stock exchanges? You understand. Now, what are the benefits of the stock exchanges? The benefits of the stock exchanges can be classified. So, benefits to the community, benefits to the company, and benefits to the investors. So, what is the benefits to the communities? So, number 1 is economic developments. What is the number 1 is economic developments. The flow of funds for the productive purposes are made possible in the stock exchanges. That means the flow of funds. Funds are changes. Funds or flow of funds are for the productive purposes they have been used. So it leads to the development of the economics, overall development of the economic in the countries, and the capital formations. This stock exchanges encourages the capital formations. So they have to raise the capitals. The community is also to be raise the capitals. Encourage the investor savings. So who is called a community? Community means is also a public, is a communities. So the community. So what is the public community? So communities have to be saved the fund. So the communities has to be raise the savings. So this capital is encourage the capital formation and fund riser for government. So government funding is also to be raised with the help of the stock exchanges. So there have been new projects are introduced by the government and the fundraising platforms. So profit-making companies, that means is a well-developed companies or issue the capitals again and again. They issue the capitals in the stock exchanges. So they might be earn more profit with the help of the stock exchanges. So these are all the benefits to the communities. And what is the benefit to the companies? So company-wise, what are the benefits? Number one is enhance goodwill and reputation. What is meant by goodwill? Goodwill means it's a good name. Goodwill means is a good name of the companies. This stock exchanges or encourages the stock exchanges will give help to maintain the good name of the companies, because the company name is under the listing in the stock exchanges. So the goodwill is also to be raised by the companies and the required market. So companies has to be expansion the business, the wide market and raise the huge funds. The companies has to be raise the funds with the help of the stock exchanges. So there has to be expansion of the business in the stock expansions of the business. And then what are the benefits to the investors? So investors, who are the investors? We are the investors. What is the benefits of the investors? So number one is liquidities. What is in liquidities? If a seller want to sell the securities, so easily they have to be sell the securities. So conversions of shares into cash easily, quickly. Okay, so this stock exchange help the investors to easily they can't be conversion of shares into cash. And then next one is a collateral securities. Adding a collateral securities. Stock exchange is one of the documents. Stock exchange is one of the documents. It helps to collateral the securities in the surety forms to borrow to offer the loan from the public. This document is help to borrow the loan. And then what is the next one is investors' protections. So the price of the securities, the price which securities are bought and sold are recorded in the stock exchanges. What is the price of the securities are recorded? So the investors are easily evaluate what is the price of the securities, easily understand the securities. Okay, and the next one is assessing the real worth. Next one is investor protections. So the stock exchanges strictly follow the rules and regulations. Strictly follow the rules and regulations. For examples, brokers are not earn higher rate of interest, higher rate of commission from the investors. And any malpractices in the stock exchanges will be strictly punishable. Any malpractices, because it has to be under the control of the government. So all malpractices are will be strictly punishable in the stock exchanges. And then assessing real worth of the securities. I already explained what is the price of the securities. That price of the security at which the securities are bought and sold, that also to be recorded. So this price of the securities is called a market quotation. This price of the securities is called market quotations. So the investors easily understand what is the evaluations of the securities. They can be easily understand. So these are all the benefits of the stock exchanges. So the benefits of the stock exchanges can be classified in benefits to the communities, benefits to the company, and benefits to the investors. So benefits to the community is economic development, capital formation, and fundraiser for government, and fundraising platform to the profit-making companies. Profit-making companies are easily earn profit, because they have been again they have been issued the securities to the public. New shares are issued to the public. And then the benefits to the companies. So enhance goodwill and reputations. What is a goodwill means? Is a good name of the companies. The enhance means it's a rise. Stock exchanges help the companies to maintain the company names, good name of the companies. And it's a wide market and expansion of the markets, amalgamate the markets. And then what is the benefits to the investors? So liquidities. Number one is the liquidities. So liquidity means is a conversion of shares into cash easily, quickly, and then adding a collateral securities. This securities is I already explained what is meant by security means is one of the certificate or documents. So this certificate or documents is one of the collateral securities. Collateral security means it's a surety documents to borrow the loan. To borrow loan. And the investors' protections. Strict rules and regulations are followed in the stock exchanges. So brokers are not to be earn higher rate of commission, and any malpractices in the stock exchanges will be strictly punishable. And they assessing a real worth of securities. What is the price of the securities ought to be recorded in the stock exchanges. So the investors are easily assess the value of the securities. So these are all the benefits of the stock exchanges. Now, what are the limitations of the stock exchanges? Lack of uniformities. So limitations of stock exchanges. Number one is lack of uniformities. All the activities are not uniform in the stock exchanges because are not controlled in the stock exchanges. So that is a lack of uniformity in the stock exchanges. And the next one is absence of restrictions on the members. So outsiders are not allowed in the stock exchanges. So this outsiders is also to be entered in the stock exchanges. That restrictions is absent in the stock exchanges. And then failure to control the unhealthy speculations. What is maybe speculations means is trading the financial securities. So that is also to be not to be controlled in the stock exchanges. So no proper regulations in the listings. What is in the listing means is inclusions in the name of the companies for the official trade list is listings. So all the companies must be comes under the listings. This is also to be failure. No proper in the stock exchanges. So these are all the what are the benefits and limitations of the stock exchanges. In this class, you know what are the features and then who are members of the stock exchanges. Who are the members of the stock exchanges? Is a revisor, authorized clerks, and then brokers, jobbers, and speculations. And then who are the speculators? Bear, bull, stag, and lambda. And what are the benefits and limitations of the stock exchanges? So that's all, students. Thank you.